rare. It's so rare. And then I got my wisdom teeth taken out, and he told me, if you get your wisdom teeth taken out, you might get dry socket. It's rare, but it can happen.
Mhm.
It's like rare again. It happened, right? Next thing that happened was I had a miscarriage. And the doctor was like, if it's rare, it's rare, but it can happen
That
again.
word.
It happened again, right? Then the next thing that happened was I was being induced for my firstborn son. And she said to me, look, it's rare, but this can go too quickly. And we're going to need to like get him out and, the induction. And it did. And it happened. And then what happened was he was born on the cord. And she was like, it's rare, Yvonne. But like, I said, what would have happened to him? And she said, 40% chance of death or disability. And I was like, oh, holy shit. And I remember saying to her, next baby, it's a C-section, right? I am not like, none of this, I was scared. Like I had a lot of fear. And then after that, I had the heart surgery. And they said, it's rare, but we can nick a vein. And it happened, right? And I remember before I went into the surgery, the doctor was going through all the, he was like, this is my bread and butter. I do it all the time, right? And he was like, but these are the rare things that can happen. I looked at him in the eye and I said, don't tell me. If it's rare, it happens to me. And it happened, right? Next, I got pregnant with a little girl. And she died due to a rare cord incident. That cord that was on my mind, which I really struggled with post having the baby, because I was like, all I could think of was the cord, you know? So then I would remember saying to myself, Yvonne, if it's rare, it happens to me. You're saying this all the time as how it relates to your health. Stop it. Like, you have got to change it up. So I remember saying to the doctor after this had happened, the heart issue, I said to him, look, is there any possibility that this can heal itself? Because he was in the room with me, and the surgeon, the vascular surgeon, it was not the heart surgeon, it was the one that was deals with veins, because it was vein. He was like, you're so young, you're so unlucky, like I had said before. And he looked at me and he said, that would be a miracle. And I remember thinking, if it's rare, it happens to me in a positive way. I was like, this isn't gonna be a problem. So I started to visualize like it going away and it healing, and I had to go back every 6 months for a review. It's still there, but it's not getting any bigger. It's still there, it's not getting any bigger. And I was like, this isn't going to be a problem. This is going to heal. Our bodies are smart. I was almost like, our bodies are smart. They can do it. If I can make a baby, I can heal my vein. Like, this is not going to be a problem. So then I got pregnant with Penelope, which was the baby that came after the loss. And they were like, oh, we can't see the hole, but you're heavily pregnant, and it's probably because it's pushing down on the leg. I went back again. No hole.
God.
Miracle.
So,
and I really, really believe that what you're saying to yourself is so important, whether it's good or it's bad. And you are manifesting every single day. You are manifesting right now, like whether you like it or not, your behavior, your thoughts, your feelings, your beliefs are creating your reality. So what is it going to be? At some point, you have to take responsibility for yourself. You have to say, this is it. This is enough. I am in the wrong movie. Get me the hell out of this movie.